draw? Babe. I don't know what to draw.
Draw whatever. Whatever goes to your mind. No, it's scary.
You don't want to know. You got a booger.
Clean it.
That's a big one. Babe, it doesn't want to come out. Oh, it's stuck in your hair. Maybe you should cut your little hairs.
No, it's gonna hurt.
Maybe you should cut them. Babe, we should cut them. Then it wants to be dark in there. It looks like a forest. I don't know what to draw. You're gonna get mad.
Then don't try.
Too late.
Go.
No, you're recording.
Yeah, it's a little too late for that.
You could warn a brother. Or in this case, I don't know.
You're my girlfriend's smart one.
I wouldn't want to be your brother.
Good, because it wasn't happening.
Okay, you're gonna think this looks wrong. Okay, I won't draw that part in. I'm gonna draw something scary.
Feels like you're drawing boobs.
Just because I made circles.
Those are her legs.
How is that a leg?
They're up. Hello.
True that?
It is boobs.
No, it's not boobs. You're not gonna like it either.
Then why are you drawing it?
Because it popped in my head. When you said, just draw whatever pops in your head. And,
Why is it scary?
it's not scary. It's a little funny looking, but it's not scary. You ready for the black part?
Now we know tomorrow I'm not wearing a white shirt.
No, you ain't.
Oh, really? Why not?
Because it's gonna show.
Babe, what's your opinion on me wearing skirts?
They're short.
What's your opinion on me wearing them to school?
I don't care. Don't be lifting it up.
What's your opinion on me?
I love you. Wait, is that even an opinion?
And your opinion or whatever you want to call it on Alexis
She's a hoe.
and Cynthia.
She's has a baby.
Then stop it with your ex.
Huh?
Mhm.
What that mean? I was never with nobody had a baby. Usher. Usher, Usher. Oh, I think I missed at a party.
What's your opinion on the distance?
I don't like it. Because it's baloney and I don't get to see you.
But you're here all day with Jaylene anyways.
No, I leave sometimes.
What's your opinion on my mom?
I got an opinion.